Hey guys, it's Jess and welcome to my channel, A Card Day's Work. I'm super excited to share a new video with you today about a brand new die cutting machine that is just about to hit the market. On April 14th, the new Diamond Press Marquise is going to be available and I'm super excited to talk to you guys about it today. I did want to mention that this is a compensated video. I am receiving compensation to create a video, but all the views and opinions that I express in the video are my own. I wasn't paid to say anything specific about the product, just to go ahead and create that video with my honest opinion. Let's go ahead and jump right into the video. I'm super excited to talk to you guys about it today. I'm so excited to introduce you to the newest die cutting machine, the Diamond Press Marquise, which is now 2 times larger than the original Diamond Press machine and fits an A2 size card front perfectly. This manual die cutting machine has a rubber base for grip while you're die cutting, but if it suctions to your surface, there is a pull tab on the side to release it. The opening is just over 4¼ inches, which allows for that A2 size card base, and it is operated by a manual turn or crank style handle. This machine is different than any other I have tried because of its folder-based system. I am used to layering sandwiches in plates that are used in other die cutting machines, but the Diamond Press features plastic folders to guide your dies through the machine. These are similar in appearance to an embossing folder, and I was admittedly skeptical about this the first time I tried it, but I am really impressed. I've gotten a perfect cut every time, even with some of my more intricate thin metal dies, but all you have to do here is place the cardstock with the die on your cardstock, and then you put it right into that folder and guide it directly through the machine. Now, the folders come in different sizes, so you are able to pick and choose which size works best for the die that you are using currently. And then all you have to do is hold the top of the machine just to keep the machine in place and turn that crank to send that folder directly through. Now, these do get a little bent and warped. I was a little concerned about this when I first saw it, but I continued to use those same folders over and over again and did not have any issues with them functioning or the perfection of the cut at all. I'm really happy with the results. Diamond Press has their own line of stamps and dies that you can purchase, and a sampling of these will come bundled with the machine when it becomes available for purchase on April 14th, 2020. The stamps are not photopolymer, and I was worried that they wouldn't be great quality, but these actually stamped beautifully right out of the package. They're a little softer than photopolymer clear stamps, but that didn't seem to impact the stamped images at all. I am notoriously bad at stamping without my stamp positioner, so if I can get perfectly stamped images, they must be really user-friendly. I was really impressed with the selection of dies available, so I wanted to show you how easily these alphabet dies can be turned into quick cards. These cards aren't anything fancy, but I love how simply these came together. I used a background that I had previously created with my gel plate, so these took no time at all, and I got 2 for 1 by using the die cut images and the negative space. So you can see here I'm using one of the larger folders. This one is around the size of an A2 size card, so approximately 4¼ by 5½, and it fit my panel perfectly. I was able to cut out several letters at a time, and then I could use that panel for another card as well as getting to use the images I die cut to begin with. I love being able to use up my scraps, so this was definitely a win for me. Here is another sampling of additional products that are available. This one actually comes bundled with the machine when you purchase it. Love that little hello die there. So you can cut little panels out of your cards to create a sort of peekaboo look. Then you're also going to get these 2 embossing folders. I did notice that when you run the embossing folders through the machine, it does wrinkle or warp the paper a little bit because you're doing a full panel. I didn't notice that with the smaller die cut pieces. I definitely did notice it with the full panel. So if that bothers you, you can definitely flatten that out with something heavy on top, or use something like foam tape or something along those lines to help flatten the panel out after you've run it through. There is also an amazing tool that is available with this die cut machine, and it has multiple tools all in one that you can use. So one side has a kind of gummy or tacky side with which you could pick up small pieces of dies that you have cut out, or sequins, gems, things like that. So it's kind of a low tack, but it's sticky enough that it's going to pick something up. Think about a jewel picker or something like that. Now it also does have a little spatula side, so you could scoop up those little die cut pieces or gems or what have you. But if you pull that out and turn it around, there is also a pokey piece that can get the dies out of, or the die cut images out of the die if they get stuck. There are little holes built into these dies so that you can push out the paper if you're not able to get it out, and that's perfect for that. But you can hide it right inside that tool, so you're not going to be worried about poking yourself all the time, or at least you would be if you were me, because I seem to be accident prone in the craft room. This also comes with a replacement sticky piece, and then another bit that can be replaced or changed out with the spatula and pokey tool. And that has a stylus on both sides, so it's got the ball stylus, and you can use those for a variety of different things. Now they are also carrying these felt tip markers, which I am interested in trying out more in depth in another video. If you guys follow my channel, you know that I like to do brush lettering. It seems like these would be great for coloring in stamps, like you could color directly on your stamps, but I'd like to test them out a little bit more and focus more on the machine itself in this review. So we also do have this really awesome stamping mat, which you can use as a work surface to do your stamping, coloring, or whatever on. But I actually found that it was a really nice base for the die cut machine itself to sit on. It suctioned really nicely, so I didn't have a problem with it moving around, but I was still able to pull that tab and get it to move as soon as I was ready for it to be moved elsewhere. Now, the other thing that I really love about this machine is that it is really lightweight. I would say it's a little less than 4 pounds, somewhere between 3 and 4 pounds probably. And I am able to pick it up and move it just super easily on my desktop, which I absolutely love, because my desk gets really cluttered and messy when I'm crafting, and it's really nice to be able to just pick it up and move it somewhere else and then bring it right back as soon as I need it. Also, because it is a smaller footprint, it doesn't take up a ton of space on my desk, and I'm able to just push it right out of the way and then bring it back as soon as I'm ready for it. Now here we have a selection of dies that are available. Some of these come in the bundle when you purchase the machine, and some of them you can purchase separately through Diamond Press directly. And a lot of them do come with these really handy sheets that let you see what the dies will look like after you've cut them out. I thought that that was really nice, as most dies don't come with something like that, and it's nice to be able to see exactly what you're getting and what each die is for. There are a variety of different sizes of these folders, like I mentioned, and I really do like the sizes that they have available. I did speak with a representative at Diamond Press to ask about the possibility of having a slimline sized folder in the future, and that's something that they're definitely considering, but they don't have it right now, so we'll be on the lookout for that. I know I will definitely snatch that up if it becomes available. I will be hosting a giveaway on my channel for one of these machines and the bundle that comes with it. This is everything that comes in the bundle when you purchase it. This will be available on HSN on April 14th, 2020, but you can win one by commenting on this video by 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time on the 12th. This is a quick turnaround, so be sure to watch the video and comment as soon as you can, and I can't wait to tell you guys who the winner is going to be. So the price point for this machine and all of the stuff that you just saw bundled in it is only $59.95, you guys, and it's only going to be available for a while on HSN, so I would definitely recommend checking that out. I will have a link down below. There's not an affiliate program or anything like that, so I don't get anything if you purchase it, but I'm really impressed with this machine, and I think it's definitely worth giving a try if you are looking for a new die cutting machine or something with a smaller footprint that you can take with you, travel along with you, or even just something that takes up a little less space on your desk. I would love to know what you guys think about this new die cutting machine. Let me know if you've ever heard of the original Diamond Press. Drop a comment down below and let me know what you think about it, if you've tried the original before or if this is brand new to you like it was to me. I'd love to hear what you guys think. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I'll see you in another one really soon.